All right, guys, these houses are going on the market. We got light scratches, worn spots, wax, build up everywhere, as you can see. So we're just gonna clean this up. We're gonna touch it up. We're gonna put a new finish, clean it, refinish it, and a light sanding, not a full sanding. And maybe some repair spots right here. We'll see some. Chemically removing floor wax. It can save you from having to fully sand them. Check it out, guys. This is the after. Remember all the wear spots? We worked on them. No water spots over there, couldn't do nothing about it. But look at the shine, guys. We removed all that wax. We cleaned that off, and it ain't perfect. Remember, it is a light sand, not a full sand. So it does. We put a new shine to it. We cleaned it, put a new shine on it, finish protection. Now it's going on the market. Most budget-friendly option for homeowners either trying to move in or quickly sell their home. Nice.